every day that you're waiting for your products to be approved in your Google Merchant Center is valuable time that you're not being able to generate any revenue and profit from your Google Ads. Waiting for your product approval will look like this. And in this video, I'm going to explain you step by step how to speed up this approval process so you are live faster than your competitors. Without further ado, let's dive right into my screen. So here we are in a new Google Merchant Center account. So far we haven't connected the Shopify environment, but when your products will be in review, they will all appear on the review here. And if it takes longer than 5 days, I've made a template that you can send to Google in order to get the speed up approval much faster. So I have the template and you can click and get it with the link in the description. So go ahead there. The template looks like this. And when we copy it, we go back to the Merchant Center. There's only one way to request this speed up approval process. So what you will do is here, go to Help. Then you go to Help Center and Support. Then you scroll all the way at the bottom and press Contact Us. Then you need to select your Google Ads account. Most likely, if you don't have any, you should create one on the same Gmail address of where the Merchant Center is being connected. So you're able to press it here. Let me fix this one, for example. And then you can type in products in review to get the right option. Then you press Next. Then you press here pending products in review. Then you select here Next Step. Then you scroll all the way down, Next Step. And here you have a bunch of options. Always, if the chat option is available, you should go for it. But the chat option is only available if you have an active Google Ads account with already some spend on it. Most likely you're watching this video because you're at the start of your journey waiting for the product approval. So then you will only have the email option. So I will press email for you to showcase what you need to fill in. Here, of course, you fill in your name. There you find your own name as well here for the end customer. Here you fill your contact email. Most likely that will be the same Gmail that you use to create this Merchant Center and so Google Ads account. The CC we don't need. Merchant Center login email is the same one. Then you implement your website URL. Then you go here for Merchant Center data feed name. Once you want to find out there, you can go here to data sources and then you see here the name of the feed. So that's what you fill in here in the data feed name. Then you select the submission method. Usually we do file or scheduling. So the scheduling means the API that will go every 24 hours. So it will be one of these. Doesn't matter too much, but you can see here content API. So then you press scheduling. Then you select here the target of your countries that you want to sell in. And then you paste my template right here in the summary of the issue. Once again, you can get it by clicking with the link in the description. And then you can select here whatever you want them to reach out to you back, which is most likely email. Email is best because if they call you and you don't pick up, you miss up the opportunity. So always go by email because then you can also reply with additional questions. So you have a hook to get the support from Google Merchant Center. And if you want to add any attachment, feel free to do so. You can, for example, screenshot that your products are being in review with your Merchant Center account ID. And inside the template that you can get from the link in the description, you need to fill in your Merchant Center account ID as well. And you will find it at the right top corner of your Merchant Center account. So now that I've explained this process in step-by-step details, it's essential to know how to launch your Google Ads campaign the right way so you set yourself up for the highest profit possible from your Google Ads campaign. If you want to know exactly how to do that in the best way possible, make sure to watch the recommendation video. I see you there.